Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy. Today here in this presentation, we are going to discuss about graphs of linear inequations. So first, let me explain this concept with the help of an example. So here, we have to draw the graph of the inequation x greater than or equal to 2 in the Cartesian plane. So first, let us draw here the x-axis and y-axis. And here, we have considered the scale of x and y-axis as 1 unit. And now, let us mark on the x-axis for the value 2. So we get a point over here. And now let us draw a line parallel to y-axis. So we get a straight line for the equation x is equal to 2. And now here, this straight line divides this plane into two half parts. And now here, let us specify the region in which the values of x lies. So here, the given inequation is x greater than or equal to 2. And now let us mark the values which are greater than 2. So here we have 3, 4 and 5 which are greater than 2. And now let us shade this region in which the values of x lies. And now here, let us decide whether this boundary line, which is nothing but the straight line of the equation x is equal to 2, lies in this region or not. So here, if the line is not included in the region, then it is called as open half plane and it is shown with the dotted line. As here the equation is x is greater than or equal to 2, so here 2 also includes in this region. For that here the boundary line also includes in this region. And now here, when the boundary line is included, then the region is called as closed half plane and it is indicated with heavy dark line. So this is the graph of the equation x greater than or equal to 2. And now let me explain the another method in which the values of x lies. So here we already know that the straight line divides the plane into two half parts, and in the one half part the origin lies and in the other half part the origin does not lie. So first let us write over here the order pair of the origin, which is nothing but 0, 0. So here this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. And now let us substitute the x coordinate, which is nothing but 0, in the equation x greater than or equal to 2. So on substituting we get 0 is greater than or equal to 2, and we know that 0 is not greater than 2. So it becomes a false statement. So as it is a false statement, we can say that the origin does not lie in the region. So by this, we can shade the region which is opposite to the origin. So this was a basic introduction on how to draw the graphs of linear inequations. Hope you understood the concept and refer to more videos on our website vitishacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.